Good morning. Today we are going to Sai Kung with Keira and Kiera. Sun creamed up. Yeah. All rubbed in.
So we don't need this then? No, I don't need.
Okay, ready to go?
We're ready for our, what do you call them? Life jackets.
Hi!
Hello! I'm doing it for a long time. I was like, they can be so fun.
Yeah, it's so fun. Should we head to one of the islands? I'm ready for a swim now. Already. Okay. So much fun. We're just on the water. The weather is so nice, even though it's supposed to be too hot for this, but it's because we're actually on the water. It's nice, and it's such like a perfect temperature. It wasn't a shock at all when we got in. And we're going over to one of the islands, and then we'll have a bit of a swim. And yeah, the current is not in our favour. It's not very windy, so it's not crazy. It would be nice if we could just flow in the direction, but nuh-uh. It's so much fun. So pretty here. I left the life jacket on so I can pop around and hold you. It's a little bit risky. Wow. Hectic times. Let me show you what I see. Ready? Ready? Whee! Fun. Ugh. We just stayed out on Keira. We were walking down the beach and we pulled our kayaks onto the sand. We were just swimming around with our life jackets on, but now I can go for a proper swim. Keira, I'll go see her. Okay, a big tour group has just arrived, so we're gonna kayak on. It's so nice. We were swimming for so long and we met some girls who were also swimming. They're so nice. They're the same uni, but also I was so tired because I was like, oh my god, we've been treading water for so long talking to them. I didn't realise we could stand, so that's why no one else was tired. So that was the only thing. Hi. Okay, we are finished. We've got off the water, got changed, and given all of our equipment back. It was so fun, but it's quite like physically tiring, like losing my hands here. So sore. But it was really lovely. The weather was so good. Maybe a little bit too hot. But we wore like sun cream. And then it's actually like nearly 2 hours to get home. a minibus to Mong Kok and then walk to an MTR station, which is another half an hour. But my plan for tonight is to go see a friend real quiet, so that's nice.
And then COVID happened and then we had to stop it.
This is actually very full circle for me right now, because it's the very start of Hong Kong where I said how I can't believe I've never seen a cow in Hong Kong, because everywhere you have the teacups with the cow on, the black and white, then so much milk tea, so much toast, so much everything, the condensed milk is everywhere, and I'm like, wow, boba, all of these milk products from Hong Kong, and no cows. Today is that day. Emotional. It's not emotional, but I've said this whole year, like year long I've said, no cows in Hong Kong, everything is milky here, and bam.